Create a new file. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the horizontal type tool. Pick a font and text color and type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Right-click on the text layer and select Rasterize Type. Click on the FX icon and select Stroke. You can copy the settings I used. Press Ctrl+T. Right-click on the text and select Perspective. Change the perspective and place the text on the top part of the canvas. Go to Window and select Actions. Create a new action. Name the action, then press Record. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Select the bottom text layer. Use the arrow key to move the text down a little. Press Stop to stop recording. Select the action and press Play to create the stacked text effect. Keep pressing Play until you're happy with the effect. Select all the text layers and press Ctrl+T. You can now move and resize the entire text. And that's how you create a stacked text.